In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira and Slack. This integration can streamline your workflow significantly by bringing your Jira tasks right into your Slack workspace. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, make sure you're on your Slack homepage. This is your gateway to making all the adjustments we're going to talk about. Once you're on the homepage, navigate over and click on the Automations tab. This is where you'll find various tools to optimize how Slack can serve your team's needs. After clicking on Automations, the next step is to click on Apps. The Apps section in Slack is like an app store specifically designed for integrations and add-ons that can boost productivity. Now in the search bar, type in Jira. You'll see various options appear, but we're looking for Jira Cloud. Click to add it to your workspace. By adding Jira Cloud, you're ensuring a smoother collaboration between the two platforms. After clicking Add, you'll be directed to the Slack Marketplace. Here, you'll want to find the option to add to Slack and simply click on it. This is essentially the installation phase where the app gets ready to be integrated into your Slack environment. You'll then encounter a prompt asking for permissions. Click on Allow. Allowing this is important as it authorizes Jira to access certain functionalities within Slack. This is to ensure that Jira can send and receive updates as needed. Next up, click on Go to Slack. This takes you back to your Slack interface where you can start setting up the integration. Once back in Slack, you might see a notice or a button that says open this link in your browser. Clicking this might seem like an extra step, but it ensures that all connections and permissions are working as intended. After dealing with browser prompts, you might encounter a no thanks button. Click on it if prompted, as it usually signifies promotional content that isn't necessary to complete the setup. With that sorted, head over to your message editor in Slack. You'll want to check if Jira has indeed been added. The presence of Jira in your message editor verifies that the integration is complete, allowing you to use its features. Finally, if you look at the left side of your Slack workspace, you'll notice that Jira has been added and connected. This confirms the successful integration of Jira into Slack, making it easier for you to manage and collaborate on projects. And that's it, you've now connected Jira to Slack, making it easier to track tasks and projects right from within your favorite communication tool. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to try it out and let us know how it works for your team.